So over here, you can see that I got this particular list of icons, and you see the file names for these icons as well, just like this. But sometimes I just may want to go ahead and view the thumbnails for it. So in that case, you can go around onto the view menu, and then what you can simply do is click on show thumbnails only. So once you go ahead and do that, you only see the thumbnails of the overall images, as you can see right here, or files that you may have right here. So I can simply go around inside the process folder, and you can see only the thumbnails around over here as well. So if I were to go around over here on the bottom, then you can see the thumbnails only option as well. You can disable it to see the file name beneath it, or click on this to hide all of the other details and just see the preview of that particular file right there, just like that. And that is how you can toggle between thumbnails only or the file names and thumbnails inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.